Hey y'all, today we're unboxing something that promises to take your sleep to the next level. The NTBAY Down Alternative Bed Pillows. This is a queen-size set of 2, and I'm excited to dive in and see what these pillows are all about. So let's get into it. First off, these pillows are made with ultra-soft microfiber material, and they're filled with premium down alternative filling. You know what that means, right? We're talking about plush, cushy comfort that's supposed to feel like you're sleeping on a cloud. One thing that caught my eye is their one-piece design. That's right, these pillows are seamlessly combined with no need for separate pillowcases. Plus, they come in a variety of colors, so you can match them with your bedding no problem. Now let's talk support. Whether you're a backside or stomach sleeper, these pillows claim to provide stabilizing support, so you can count on them to cradle your head just right. And with this 2-pack, you're covered for both sides of the bed. And here's the kicker, these pillows are machine washable. Yep, you can toss them right in the washing machine, and they'll come out fresh and fluffy again. Just remember, wash them cold on a gentle cycle and tumble dry low, no bleach. I'll be putting these pillows to the test tonight, and we'll update you all on how we slept. Stay tuned for that. Big thanks to the brand for sending these over. Everything I've shared is 100% my honest opinion.
You got that